My name's Lily, and today I will be showing you guys all my squishies, and it's going to be a very quick video. I'll be just showing you my squishies. So let's get started with the quick video. First one is a strawberry, very soft. It's a very soft, excuse the noise in the background, that is my dog. Yeah, so this is very squishy. It is very squishy. It is slow rising. The top is also squishy. Very sticky. So yeah, I like the squishy. I'm going to show you it form. I'm going to squish it really goodly. And watch it form up. So that is the first squishy. The second squishy is this pink squishy. And this is the second one. It's very squishy. Has a little twirl, and it's pink, and it's super squishy in the back. Let's see how squishy it is. It smells like vanilla wafers. It's very slow rising. It's very good. Squishy, so that's the second one. The third one is this ice cream, and it's squishy, and it very squishy and nice. This is like vanilla. Watch it. Ice cream. That is my third squishy. This is my fourth squishy. Smells like coconut, strawberries, ice cream, and a wafer, like a waffle thing. It's kind of slow rising, but not that much. So yeah, that is this one. It's also good. This is the fifth one. It is very why is it just waking up? She's like, ah! This is very soft. Feels like a donut. Feels like a donut.
You tickle me, I'm squishy like a marshmallow. It actually tickles me.
Okay, so this is very kind of slow rising. So this one smells just like this one. Actually came in the pack together. So good. So in the back of the line is the defected ones. So this is
I'm gonna go get it.
This is the cake one. Very squishy.
Candy dog.
So that's just gonna go up, and yeah, good one. The sixth one is not my sister. This is mine. This is a cat and a donut, and I might get one more squishy today. I think. Yeah, one more squishy today, I think. And very tough and slow rising one. It'll take probably probably like 2 minutes to form again. So there's this one. It's probably the last one. So my sister wants me to show her two squishies that she has. So it's this unicorn one. This was the last unicorn one she got. Oh, that looked like a human one. It was her nose. And her little toes. It's very hard to squish. and not very slow rising. The little thing is, it smells like sour candy and very kind of hard squishy. She's talking over there, and I'm not gonna show her because she doesn't want to be shown on camera. So there's a pink squishy, and this is a cake one, and she's already teared this piece of the cake. Maybe I can like glue it on, but it's very soft and very slow rising. This little cake piece.
It's so soft, more sweet everywhere.
And very slow rising and very So this is my end of my video. I hope you liked it, and I hope you have a good day. Cause it is the morning right now. It is 11:17 right now. You can see in the corner, and I love you guys so. Bye.